So people here in Malta drive on the left side of the road, and what the hell? The steering wheel is on the right side when you're inside the vehicle. There's a plane taking off now. It's 8:50. The airport is just over here. And everybody here speaks English, which is very nice. Oh, I think, is this the bus? I think I'm gonna load the bus. No, it's so weird to hop onto a bus with Hello. It's good. Grazie. Yeah, so I'm on this bus now. Excellent. I hopped onto the bus and I'm gonna go find this sporting store where I could buy myself a jacket, because it's gonna be a little chillier when I get to the Baltics, or Balkans I should say. Balkans, whatever. Latvia, Riga, Latvia. Place as a whole, well, from what I've seen so far, looks to be a whole lot cleaner than Italy. A little bit more organized, or maybe a whole lot more organized. But and the weather turned out nice. My sleeping pattern is still screwed up. Yeah, so I arrived here at midnight last night, tried to sleep, really couldn't sleep. I might have had like an hour, maybe 2 hours of on and off sleep. So yeah, it's so weird being on this side of the road, but whatever. Look at this flagging guy, just uses his hands and stuff. Nobody with a hard hat, but whatever. That's things are a little bit different out here. Okay, I'm gonna check in later.